Look at this.
We have big our artists for drop something, right? We're not for big Vice Cartel for drop nothing at all. God, do we the man flood the music? We the man we can't keep up.
A few moments later.
Name the top 5 songs them we are here upon the rhythm in the streets.
On the rhythm in the streets right
now? Yeah, the top 5 songs them where like every time you touch the road, you hear them 5 songs there.
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
So the top 5, Monarchy, the Anthony B, the Enhance, and the Suspense, the Candy, the Chronicler, and the Skipper were released so far.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
One song I see create a bag of controversy, and the Cartel song where must say yo SYM save your money. You understand? Yeah. What do you think about that song? How it go on for the ground?
Honestly,
as in you hear it in the streets, or the streets not take on tweet it. How it go?
Brother, you know a Cartel that you go hear Cartel song, but when you think about it, is the next one a Cartel song them way.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I don't know Media Fox. Some say a Gaza man forward out. Chat one bag of thing. But I make you know say all of this is just an internet thing, a hype thing. Because I remember when Cartel forward out of prison. You see what I say in another video? Are the same thing them did I say, bro. And the only thing is just a hype around Cartel thing, brother. You understand the hype, the social media thing, way, this and that. The music thing facade, bro. It's just a moment. You understand? But more want to listen. What go on with that brother you say. You see me?
But the rest of dancehall artists, when they yap off them out on the internet and I say, I didn't run dancehall and this thing. Why want to choose no to go on vacation? Of all the time when you could go on vacation, want to choose no to go on vacation. Of all the time when you choose to disappear off of the internet, want to choose no to disappear off of the internet. Of all the time when you choose to stop drop song, want to choose no for stop drop song. Why is that so? Come over here. Forward. Talk to me. What go on? I'm still not here. Why want to choose for the drop the song right now?
People, you see because them man and love man, so them only watch one man. That's why you hear them talk like this. Cause this was the same talk when Alkaline when Cartel found out of prison. And you know they look at the prison release everything. Artists did that drop music same way. But because the hype there around Cartel releasing, right? Remember you know, after all of that, right? Cartel been releasing music, albums, every little thing. So through New Year now, and Cartel a drop some song, so-called where them say my buy a bag of views and all of them little thing there. You don't know the internet thing different from the real world where go on the streets. See it? So look you now, them might use that to say the artists them go up on vacation. True Vice Cartel have the hype over the artists them. But when you go in the streets, it's a different thing. You understand? And this 1, 2, 3 iTunes thing. That's why you say I even talk about it because look here now. I'm just glad say the Gaza people them finally buy them artist music. Where it's a talk about. Because from him forward out, we never did really hear that much. Especially with the last projects them album when drop. Some of them now go up on the billboard. Yeah, so but kinda glad so them start buying music for use it and brag. You understand? Yeah. That's why I don't even really bring it up like that, the 1, 2, 3 thing. Fine. Do what them I do, music and everything. And all me say, I hope them can continue doing it. Not just for the moment and the hype. You understand?
Why? What's going on in the dancehall atmosphere, guys? Why you wanna choose not for drop now? Wanna make the wanna make the old man. Okay, so wanna say young people time and wanna run the thing, but old man still have to run up and down and create havoc. Oh, talk to me, no man. Come on, no man. All of a sudden, no quiet. Why wanna so quiet?
Brother, people, down in a video, una go see something where disturbing. Una need to watch a video. Una go see something disturbing. And this is the reason why you hear me talk about where the artist music or them not drop. The artists them drop music. But it's just that little hype thing with the rhythm and all of them little thing that we are going around Vice Cartel. But una go sit down in the video. Why am I talk like this? You understand?
Wanna stop trolling? Wanna stop trolling? Wanna stop go back and forth with people on the internet? Wanna stop go back and talk to me? What go on? Talk to me. What the reason? This is not the therapy session, but the cool reason. Why Uno just disappear now when Uno see the 50-year-old artist Uno say, wash up? Why not choose now to disappear? Why not choose now to stop drop songs? Why not choose now to stop say Una the MA, Una the Gaza, Una the dancehall, this, Una dancehall, that? Why not choose now? Come no man. Forward no man. Come far. Don't do it. Don't. Uno stop. Artists, Uno stop. Stop. Forward. Una baddest. Remember say una baddest thing no man?
Brother, you know say all you there chat and a yip yap, bro. It's like in your mind you know you chat a bag of shit. Bro, Cartel a back and forth to themselves. The young youths them a do them thing, bro. A Uno alone do them thing in a dancehall genre, bro. Uno keep on a try compare Cartel with the young youths them a bust way there, brother. This show me say, bro, Cartel not do them for do then. Bro, first of all, only not compare Sean Paul, the artist them way a bigger artist more than Vice Cartel, right? Only not compare them with the youths. Shaggy and Sean Paul and some other rest of people. Only now compare them with the young youths. And them is a bigger artist than Cartel. Cartel might have the impact, yes, but them is a bigger artist. Why only now compare them with the youths? And I don't understand. But no, I know that. I show the hype now they run them artists, the hype they run Cartel. That's why I not do it. Because there's no way, there's no genre where a 50-year-old artist get up every day and compare that man there to the younger youths. When the man done set film foundation already and the youths them a do it now. I compare the artists with the young youths them, bro. The young youths them a do them thing. Uno no realize, bro. You understand? Right now, Uno shouldn't even bring up them situation, dog. For sure. It make Cartel thing look like some little like an artist where boss where there, bro. Cartel a big artist. Him have hits, him have a huge catalog. Uno get up every day and try say, yo, we artists them we do music, this and that, and I say I'm a 50-year-old. Bro, it make it seem like the Cartel a run down something, brother. Me not understand. Uno in a dog. Is it?
Remember say nothing no bad, nothing like Uno shoes lace. Forward no man. Come go 5 top on the charts and music we are talk about.
I must say Masicka, I'm a talk.
Forward no man go back it out on the charts. Come see. Drop something go see if you can forward on the charts and knock me off the charts. Forward no man must say with the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. All must have dominate the charts. Forward no go see if you can even forward in the top 10. Drop something no man. Please, we are big on me. I'm not on fans, but I'm begging on behalf of on fans. Drop something, please. We know drop something, no man. We have beg for drop. Honestly, we not have beg our artists for drop something, right? We have a big Vice Cartel for drop, not all. God.
People, the man them go on like say from Cartel forward out of prison, him just start drop music. It looks so to me. Cartel been out what 2 years now? And I know no come out and a hype up about Cartel a release song. So wait, what to the rest of the song them? What to the song them when him found out and him just releasing at the first year? What happened? And now we not try show say Cartel just a drop music now. You should be ashamed, dog. You should be ashamed, brother. Cause last year you never did a go on so. You never did a go on so last year. So what happened now? As the year start, Cartel start dropping music on one ear now. That's why I hype it up. Why, yo.
Do we the man flood the music? We the man we can't keep up. As usual, we can't keep up. The work ethic is unmatched. I think say the younger generation and the young people time. What go on?
Brother, I hype not talk about right now, bro. Stop it, brother. What you mean by release? Cartel been a release songs, bro. From last year. I just threw the hype with the DJ Mac rhythm. And them little thing there, brother, and show the rhythm with the controversy thing, brother, make on the day attack, bro. Cartel been a release music. You never see it, you never hype it up. Cause you know say you no reach a caliber there. You understand? But through the little hype now, when I run with that little hype now, yo, where the rest of the artists them there? Bro, the artists them still a do what them a do, brother. Them maybe just now the hype around them thing and around them music or whatsoever, bro. You understand? I hope this continue. You understand? Cause a hype on the use in a dog. A hype on the use, but in the street is a different thing, fam.
And the young people time again. Also, why not do? Shift the goalpost now? Why go and talk to me? I don't want to talk. Why want to quiet now? What go on? Oh. I never say old man still can't DJ. I never know say old man still can't go in a blood club boat and just sing something and he just gone. What on? Talk no man. Young people, come no man, talk no man. Young people, I'm not young people time, you know. But it seems like I know young people time. What on? Artists, drop something no man. In the name of dancehall, drop something, cause you know someone of the baddest thing. Drop something no man, drop something, Gaza side and I'm out.
People, alright, here's the video now. I'm gonna tell you about them Gaza man. And the music them love. That's why he might hype up himself because of the hype. Them money I love man, I'm gonna tell you why. I want to know people just listen to the video and looking at the background of the video. Seeing? Hear this, hear what I want.
One artist them there. No, put fun and joke aside. One artist them there. How I go on? You know what this remind me of? When Vice Cartel just fall from behind the rails and drop Comet. Everyone disappear.
You see it, people? You see what me I tell you say is about the hype? It is not about the music. You know why? Him just said it a while ago. You hear him go on? Him say him just remember when Cartel just fall out of prison. And him just say, yo, every artist a hide. You know why? Because when Cartel found out, it was a hype and controversy. It wasn't about the music. So them watch what next man a do and not the music. That's why you hear them a say, yo, oh, them not seen an artist a release. Artists a release songs. But them love man so much, them pay attention to what him a do, not the music. So, see ma clarify that now. Where I say now is the same thing. The hype around the DJ Mac, rhythm, the little hype thing we are going. Remember say Cartel found out last year, I one song them same get. And I God is the greatest. What happened to the rest of the song them? Where is the hype around the rest of the song them? Why is now when him jump on the DJ Mac rhythm and chew the rhythm hot, it a cause a bag of problem. And chew, you know, I'm glad to them start buying music now for put it at 1, 2, 3, fine. But you know them a run with the little hype and the little narrative, like say, brother, artists out there do other things. But fine, me not go bash them because me just glad say them a buy them artist music now and can brag about it. You understand? But listen what I say.
Man disappear and all who say them there run the place. Every man disappear when they start with their Japan road.
Wait the people, wait there. Come do rotted. Wait there.
Man disappear and all who say them there run the place. Every man disappear when they start with their Japan road.
People, yes, why I'm telling you with them guys, man. People, look at the atmosphere. This man in a bed under a sheet with a man pan TV. No woman not there. No woman not in him room. You think say me can do a video and talk about alkaline the pan screen and me under sheet and I talk about rare this that bro? Why for that brother? You there in your room have man pan screen and I like no video play no. The man pause the video. A man ya really meds in a dog. You understand? Man ya meds brother. You see it? See you even a pint pan him. For sure you. It's not about the music, bro. Cause if it was about the music, you would not do what you do right now. You understand? Cause you in your bed and you pine pan man. Brother, you should have pine pan a girl right now. You understand? It's a woman you should have pine pan right now, bro. In your bed and you pine pan a next man. Bro, burn off.
It remind me right now. The man a drop be a song and we not hear the rest of man them a drop no song.
Brother. Bro, people, how much song Cartel drop from him release from prison? Why you know? Them a say Cartel a drop song and them not hear no other. Brother, why not use hype with who a drop music? Me not understand that. So through the hype now they run the artists them means say them not drop music? Jano youth, me I tell you so no dangerous dog.
Not hear them a forward and I say them are the man. We not hear them a forward and say them on top of the charts. We not hear them a forward and I say where them there? When a artist come to think of it, where them gone? All of a sudden everybody just disappear. Where them gone, bro? We not see them in the streets. We not see them, where them there? Cause me not see them in the card. Two of them did enough up on the internet every minute. I know they where them there?
Enough up on the internet. You know why you not see the artist them? I chew you in your bed and that sheet with man pan screen. Him alone you see. That's why, because I love man.
Where them they know that Vice Cartel say yo alright me I go step on them neck. Who know there? Me know look a bumbo along. The fire, the heat turn up in the kitchen, so I want to the kitchen. Oh, the fire turn up in the kitchen, so I run out of the kitchen. You never see smoke without blood clot fire. The fire turn up in the blood clot kitchen and run gun look up bumble hole, you know. And know that Uno is not no MAN, Uno is a BOY. Separate the men from the boys. You see? That's why Uno forgive and show respect to the elders. That when the elders ever beat and teach.
Brother, are you alone I get beat and teach, you know? I don't know what you mean by beat, who Cartel a beat and teach. Brother, you know get like 1, 2, 3 and I go and like say, brother, it's a facade the whole world, bro. Like, you know just start by Cartel music, brother. You know just Cartel for out 2 years now and him get a 1, 2, 3 and a hype over it. Brother, yo, them man a fool, you know. Yo, you know get a look at iTunes and not do nothing. Fine, you know buy an artist music. But you know take this, fi try beat other artists and, bro, you know go and like say a Cartel song alone reach #1, bro. I don't understand this. How long you think say them music they can stay up there, so? Eh? The thing them wanna brag and boast about, bro. You don't have no sense, brother. Artists out there do things way bigger than this. You understand? Even though this and more. We not hear them a brag and boast about it. As you get one little strike, you ready for run out and everything. All me say, you know, I hope you can make continuously this song them go on iTunes 1, 2, 3. I hope when the rest of the release of the song them, you do it. And remember this, remember when the artist soon drop album, you know. Make sure said hit the billboard with a good number and good numbers. You understand?
A trouble. Or if you want to test the teacher when you do have a book. When you know the song, so you want to test the teacher, go and sit down man and learn to write song. Learn to make some song and forward. All them artists.
People, what may I tell you? You see them money, dog? Them money love man, brother. This man in a bed and a video himself with no girl in the room, right? And a man pan him screen. Bro, youth, me I tell you no, brother, you know they in a different part of the world, youth. Me I tell you that.
Yo, it no sweet, none of more than me. You hear me I say? So if Gaza ship did that sink, how I go on? When ship sink, it can't come back afloat in the that gone, you know.
I must Masicka him attack, you know. I must Masicka him attack. Cause when him say about shoes lace now, I Masicka only have to say your Gaza ship sinking, so I must Masicka to rat it.
That gone, you know, that gone for life, you know, that. That people have to go down and try pick up the wreckage. This no sink, this even, you know, they even can't shake the boat. You know, can't shake it. You know, they even can't rock it. None at all. Talk no man, only so quiet. Oh, only so quiet all of a sudden. Drop something no man. Drop something, want to hear something from one steady, you know. Because we don't know so our artists easily for dominate. It's so easy for the boss to dominate the field. I want to hear something from you know.
What do you mean by easily for dominate? Bro, from Cartel forward out, basically, a one song the man get dog. What you say? One song, God is the greatest. So, what you mean? You mean dominate with controversy and hype or dominate musically? That more no.
When the boss a drop. When the boss, don't wait until the boss say, alright, I come and come forward and want drop. Drop now. Drop now. We never see one man play football yet, bro. It's always a people, a group of people play a scrimmage. But serious World Cup settings. A scrimmage, you know, gone. 3 aside, 2 aside, I don't know, play about. What go on, bro? Tell me what go on. What go on? What you scared? When you scared for lace up on the boots and go up on the field because you know see Lionel Messi and Ronaldo and all of the top ball, bro. What go on? When you afraid to go up on the field, go play a ball, dog. If you say on a big ball, the best time to go up on the field when the big ball of them on the blood club, pitch a play. Test on the skills. Forward no man. Wanna gone. Forward man. Gaza and I'm out.
People, this show you this confirm them man ya, them no love music. Man them love. Man lay down in a bed under sheet with man pan them screen with no girl in a bed. Yo, this can't get no better than this, brother. I tell you with them Gaza man, bro. I don't know people. But when I don't know, I want media facts. Yeah man. When I don't know, I think said that is it.